Listen to my heart go da 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 da. My heart go da 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 da. It just won't stop. It go da da da.
Okay, so hey my loves, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time, hi, you are so welcome. My name is Deborah Boms. Today's video is sponsored by Wigginshair. So they sent me this gorgeous wig, and we're going to get into the wig. So the wig came with a couple of things. I have some 3D lashes. I also have some satin scarves as well. It came with this brush, and it also came with a melting band, as well as a HD wig cap, and then a satin bag to store the wig. Now let's actually get into this wig. So this is what the wig looks like when you just take it out the box. So we have a loose deep wave wig. Okay, this is what the front looks like. It comes pre-cut and it comes with the frontal already plucked for you, right? So again, it is a loose deep wave. I love these curls so much, guys. It is so gorgeous. You're gonna see it is 24 inches, and you're just gonna see how these curls just bounce all around. I love it. So again, it is wear and go, so you don't have to do too much. You just put it on and you can literally just step out. So this is how gorgeous it looks, and this is an elastic band that you can adjust, okay, and you can clip it however you want. You have some clip-ins there as well, so that you can actually just secure this. This is the frontal. It is 7x4 lace closure wig. Okay, so this is what it's looking like right now. This is what the frontal looks like, as well as the closure, right? It's been pre-plucked, and you can see the knots have already been bleached for you, and this is what the hair is looking like. So I went ahead to get my shade of foundation, and I started to tint the lace using my foundation, right? So this is just to make sure that it has like a more natural look to it. Okay, so this just helps for it to blend into your skin tone at the same time and looks more natural, gives it a more natural look. So I did this all the way throughout the whole lace, just so that, you know, we had like a realistic look. And then when I was done with this, I went on to pop this wig on real quick. Okay, so I used like a wig cap as well that was close to my shade, and once I popped this on, I could see the blend already, right? So you can wear this as it is, you know, just match it up with some foundation, but I needed to use like some spray to just let this sit on longer. So this step is completely optional. You don't have to use a spray. It comes as a glueless wig, but I needed this to be more secure, so that's why I went in with some got to be spray, and I just spread that all over, you know, the front of the hair, and just to secure this for a longer period of time at the same time. So I went ahead to just spray that, and then kind of adjusted the wig just so that it sits perfectly. Next up, I went in with my melting band to kind of melt the lace. Now I did this, tied it up till the back, and then paired with my blow dryer. So I had this on the lowest setting, and I just sat here for like 10 minutes just so that the wig or the lace could like kind of melt into my skin and look more, you know, natural at the same time. So this is what it was looking like when I took it off. I had to do this a couple more times just so that we could get like a more realistic look. So yeah, so I went in again just to get like some loose ends and the parts that did not really, you know, melt in perfectly. So I did that, use my blow dryer again to just melt it into the skin as well. So after taking off the bands, this is what it was looking like, right? And then I decided to create like a new center part, because it kind of shifted while I was laying the wig down. Then I went in with some wax stick just so that we could get like a flat look there in the closure, right? So I applied this to the closure, and then I went in with a hot comb and then just slick that down. Okay, so now we're down to my favorite part because I enjoy this so much. So I decided to go for like a wet look, right? And just to activate the curls basically. So I had to spritz my hair with some water and then I went in with mousse, which you're gonna see. But this was just like it activated the curls and you could see like the curls just coming to life right here. So I did use a good amount of like water on my hair, and then you can see now this is what the curls look like with just water anyways. You don't even need mousse, but then I decided to go in with mousse just so that it could last longer at the same time and just give it that extra shine. So I went in with the mousse and distributed that evenly onto the hair, and this is what it is looking like, right? So this helps in just activating the curls and it gives it a better look. Look at that, like look at the shine, look at the curls popping, and compared with the dry side, so this wet look is the look, trust me. So you want to have it looking wet. It will dry down and then you will see that the curls are actually more defined when they dry down. So yeah, you can do this. You can use just water, or if you want to have like some mousse in as well, you can do that. But this is what it's looking like. I mean, compare the two. At the end of all the styling, this is what the wig looks like. It is gorgeous, it is beautiful. These are the curls are popping, and one thing I love about this wig is the fact that it is lightweight, right? So it is not so full. I love the density. It's a perfect density for me, right? It is free. I can feel like air through my hair, to be honest, because I don't like when hair is too heavy and you know I'm always hot. So this is very lightweight, it is breathable at the same time, and this is what the curls are looking like. I'm sorry, but this is giving me like, this is not the Debbie you guys know. Like this is just giving all the vibes that I need this to give, right? It is gorgeous, it is beautiful, and I would recommend this hair to any and everybody. Look at these curls. This is when it has dried down actually, and it is still moving. Like the hair is still moving. I mean, what more do you want, right? So again, all of the details for this look is going to be right in the description box, so please check it out. If you guys want to get this wig, I would recommend it. Again, the link to purchase would be in my description box, so make sure you check it out and get yourself one of these wigs. It is lightweight. You will even feel like you're carrying something on your head, to be honest, and you're gonna love it. You're gonna enjoy this wig, trust me. So let me know what you guys think about this video. Let me know your thoughts down below. Do you love this wig? Is it something that you're gonna look into? Are you gonna get this wig? Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and again, thank you so much to Wigginshair for sponsoring this video. I really love my hair. And yeah, that is it, you guys. If you are new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe, like this video, share this video, comment down below your thoughts, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.
Listen to my heart go, bye, bye, bye.